Aiden works at a discount store. He always works at least 12 hours per week, but often he works more. The function h of x equals 12 plus x can be used to describe the number of hours he works each week. Aiden is paid at a rate of $10 per hour. This can be described as r of x equals 10. The graph shows these functions. Use the values of these functions to graph and write a function s of x to represent Aiden's weekly salary. Okay, so we know that h of x is the number of hours Aiden is working, and then r of x is the rate. And so to get the total amount of money that he's making, s of x, then it would just make sense to multiply the number of hours by the rate because, like for example, if he worked 2 hours, then and it's $10 per hour, it'd be 10 times 2, which is 20. So we can go ahead and know that s of x is equal to h of x times r of x. And so let's find points for h of x and r of x, and then we can multiply those together to find our new graph. So for s of x, I see the point, h of x, the point 0, 12, 214, 416, 618, and 820. And then for r of x, then that's easy. We just have 10 for any point that we find here. So let's go ahead and fill out a table for that. So we picked 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And then for h of x, we had 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And then r of x, it was just 10 for the y value each time. And so then multiplying those together to get s of x, 12 times 10 is 120, 14 times 10, 140, 16 times 10, 160, 18 times 10, 180, and 20 times 10, 200. So then let's go ahead and graph our new line. We'll do that in a nice green color here. So we actually need a much larger scale on our graph. So let's create a new graph with a much larger scale. Okay, so we now have a graph with a much larger scale on it. So let's go ahead and graph our new lines. We have 0, 120, 2, 140, 4, 160, 6, 180, and 8, 200. And so then connecting that line, that is going to be our new graph s of x. And so let's go ahead, and find the actual equation for that. And so I've drawn the graph again here, just a little bit neater so that we have it. And to find the actual equation, then we know s of x again is equal to the number of hours times the rate. So h of x times r of x. And we know that h of x is equal to 12 plus x, and then r of x is equal to 10. So multiplying those together, 12 times 10 is 120, and x times 10 is 10x, so plus 10x. So then our function and our final answer will be s of x equals 120 plus 10x.